Welcome to this breakdown. If you're hitting 62, your absolute most critical wealth-building decade just started.
Reason 1, the tax illusion. Thinking your taxes just magically vanish when you retire, that's a massive, costly mistake.
See, between retiring and forced IRS withdrawals, you hit a golden temporary tax window. We call this the income valley.
Reason 2, the deferral trap. Generic advice says wait on taxes. For high net worth families, that just builds a massive liability.
Reason 3, the RMD shock. Got a $3 million pre-tax account? Your very first mandatory distribution is $16 grand. By age 80, those forced IRS distributions can easily blow past $200,000, all taxed at top rates.
Reason 4 is IRMAA. High income triggers sneaky surcharges that'll absolutely multiply your Medicare premiums. It's a real shocker.
So, what's the fix? A multi-year Roth conversion plan right before the IRS totally takes control of your money.
Reason 5, the Roth shield. Post-conversion, withdrawals are completely tax-free with 0 lifetime minimums, plus no Medicare surcharges. The secret here is bracket filling. You strategically convert just enough every single year to max out lower tax brackets.
Over this 10-year window, a laddered strategy perfectly shifts your massive wealth right into a tax-free Roth fortress.
But watch out, converting too much in 1 year instantly catapults you straight into the highest possible tax brackets.
You've got to dodge tricky pitfalls too, like the net investment income tax and those constantly shifting state tax laws.
Reason 6, the heir trap. Current IRS rules force your kids to empty inherited traditional IRAs within 10 years.
But leaving them a Roth IRA instead? That guarantees a full decade of totally tax-free compounding and withdrawals.
Reason 7, fiduciary integration. Nailing these complex tax goals requires an ongoing fee-based fiduciary relationship, not just a transaction.
That's where Davies Wealth Management in Stuart, Florida steps in, building precise multi-year tax plans for high net worth investors.
Doing this right can literally save your family hundreds of thousands of dollars in lifetime taxes. It's huge.
The clock is ticking on your income valley. Will you grab this opportunity before the IRS takes control?